This is the East Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Friday, December the 13th. Key points to go over is we're looking at some light snow possible across portions of eastern and southern Idaho today. We are still keeping a close eye on for some very heavy snow expected for the mountains and portions of the eastern highlands going through the weekend. And then we will get a break on Monday before we see another round of accumulating snow arrive Monday night and Tuesday. Current satellite image shows our current system moving through the region. Once again, this has produced only very light amounts of snow across the area. Really just a skip of snow for most people. Looking at our weather risk outlook, you see we have some oranges on there, some moderate impacts expected where we currently have winter storm watches in effect. That is for moderate to heavy snow. And we also are thinking that there could be some minor impacts for portions of the area as well, especially up towards Rexburg area. Might see a couple inches of snow Saturday and Sunday. And then as we look out in time, once again, potential for some accumulating snows for the Snake River Plain and Southeast Highlands as well there again on Tuesday. So looking at high temperatures today, generally pretty warm across the area, generally highs in the 30s to low 40s across most of the region. Snow amounts today, once again, expected to be pretty light. Most people will see well less than an inch of snow for today. Wind gusts today, pretty minimal. Gusts of 15 to 20 miles per hour likely for most people. As we go into tomorrow morning, expect overnight lows everywhere to be below freezing. And then afternoon highs for Saturday, generally in the upper 30s to low 40s. And that's going to really cut into the snow totals for our Snake River and Plain and Magic Valley communities for the snow potential there. Looking at snow amounts on Saturday, heavy snow expected from Cary to Haley, Ketchum, up to Galena Summit. And then also accumulating snow developing in the afternoon across the Island Park region, and you see a little bit of snow extending from the mountains through Arco and Mackey, decent accumulations likely up through Du Bois and into that Island Park region. Winds will also be picking up on Saturday afternoon. We see some gusts in the 20 to 25 mile per hour range across a lot of areas. Overnight lows going into Sunday morning, generally near freezing or below across most of the region. And then looking at our Saturday night snowfall totals, still see heavy snow across the Central Mountains and the Island Park and Driggs regions. And you start seeing Saturday night, we have a cold front that will be coming through. Start seeing the snow starting to pick up in the Southeast Highlands as well. Looking at our high temperatures on Sunday, much cooler across the region. Highs generally in the low to mid 30s across most of the area. And then our snow totals start falling off across central Idaho, but still hanging on through Sunday across the eastern highlands where a few more inches of snow is likely. Max wind gusts on Sunday, it will be very breezy. Gusts 30 to 40 miles per hour likely across a good chunk of south central and eastern Idaho during the day on Sunday. So looking at our weekend snow totals, you see a lot of 6 to 12 inches across the Central Mountains, and then local areas up in the hills could see 1 to 2 feet of snow. As you go into the eastern highlands, 5 to 10 inches likely across a lot of areas out there, and then up in the mountains there as well, foot to foot and a half snow possible in some of those areas as well. Down low in the Snake River Plain, that warmer air should cut into our snow totals, generally less than an inch from Pocatello south to Burley, and then 1 to 3 inches from roughly about Idaho Falls up to Rexburg through the area. Being aware out towards INL over the weekend, you'll see snow quickly accumulate out towards the INL area out to Arco, and quite a bit of snow is likely out in the Arco region as well. So for that reason, we do have winter storm watches that are in effect. We do expect that by this afternoon we'll start upgrading these to warnings and advisories across the area. So keep an eye on that this afternoon. So just to summarize, light snow possible today. Heavy snow for the mountains and portions of the eastern highlands over the weekend, with more accumulating snow likely once again Monday night and Tuesday. So that concludes this morning's briefing. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. Thank you.